The next website that I wanted to share with you is MetKids. It is a digital version of the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I have never used this website before, but I was checking it out yesterday, and it is really cool. I personally don't know how I would use it in my classroom, but I know that it would be great for art teachers. It would be a great way for parents to get their students involved in learning about art at home. And it could just be great for some research projects or Genius Hour if that's what students are interested in. So there's different things that you can click on. If you explore the map, it's a little bit crazy because there's just stuff everywhere. But as you can see, if you search for the red and yellow markers, then it'll zoom in to different things around the museum. What I liked when I checked this out was the time machine. So you can search for different pieces of art based on their time period, so when they were created, where they were created, or what was the big idea behind them. So for example, I could go to 1000 to 1400 AD, and then it tells me how many results there are. But then it also tells me what geography is still left and what big ideas are in that time. I can shorten my search by saying, okay, now I want this time period in Europe, or I can just go. I'm going to just push because I don't want to limit the search right now. So then it pops up all of the pieces of art in the museum that were created in that time period. And so it doesn't stop there. If I find a certain piece of art that I am most interested in, I can click on it. It'll kind of show me where in the museum it is based on their virtual graphic picture that's very busy. But then it'll tell you more about it. So there's a fun fact. You can watch a video about it. And then there's just different things that help you interact with this art piece. So then you can learn about it yourself. What's it made of? When was it made? Where was it made? Where can I find this? And so it tells you it would be in the Arms and Armor Gallery, but it's not there right now. And then as you go through the site and scroll down, you come across the video that goes with it. Discover some facts about it. Do you want to know more? They'll tell you more. Can you imagine what this might have been like? And then maybe you can try to create something similar or something that goes with it by yourself. And so I thought that was very cool. I have never been to a museum like the Met. I think it's a great way to help kids experience something like that without having the availability or the option to go. It gets them really involved in the art itself and just having all of these different interactive pieces with it. But something else that it offers, and I'm sorry, my dogs are kind of in my face right now and making noises, not happy with each other. But they have videos, and these videos are kids asking real life questions. And so I'm going to search all videos. And so, yeah, so you have these kids and they're asking, how do these things happen at the Met? And they get to learn and they get to be involved with what's going on and they get their questions answered. And it's just great inquiry for art and kind of that creative mind. So like I said, I would really recommend this for art teachers and parents, but then classroom teachers and just aiding that creativity and interest that's in art and allowing students to explore that a little bit.